Artificial intelligence will transition from an emerging technology to a necessary one in 2023. Take into account these crucial signs of developing technology. There are practically AI systems everywhere. This phrase permeates every aspect of life, from homes to workplaces to shopping centers. Artificial intelligence is already present in 77% of our items. Since 2000, investments in AI businesses have increased six-fold. Additionally, AI has the potential to boost corporate productivity by 40%. By 2030, experts estimate that AI alone would be responsible for a $15.7 trillion increase in the global GDP. Well, that's amazing. Good day. In this video, you'll learn about the most recent breakthroughs in generative AI. Hold on to your hats as we fling this technical jargon at you. Before heading forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Let's get tied up and keep rolling. What is generative AI? Generative AI uses AI and machine learning methods to allow machines to generate artificial content such as text, images, audio, and video based on their training data in a way that fools the user into thinking it's real. However, there are several issues with generative AI regarding data privacy and its application in fraudulent or criminal behavior. In comparison to people, businesses have long desired AI for its capacity to supercharge staff, pick up the slack through automated chores, and provide a cost-effective choice for repetitive labor. The next step in enterprise AI is for the technology to become self-contained. As solutions mature and use broadens, the method creates synthetic data to train its models or identify new ideas, according to Gartner's Hype Cycle for Emerging Technologies 2021 research. The system, dubbed generative AI, is expected to hit a production plateau in the next 2 to 5 years. Generative AI is a technique that uses existing text, audio files, or photos to create new material. Computers that use generative AI recognize the underlying pattern in the input and make comparable material. Artificial intelligence, AI, applications were critical in saving lives and building economic resilience as COVID-19 spread, necessitating far-reaching health and safety measures. R&D have improved basic AI capabilities, such as autonomous vehicles and natural language processing, and quantum computing has continued apace. Let's take a look at each of the generative AI advances one by one. It is a broad discipline that encompasses many topics, including healthcare, robots, quantum computing, AI chips, and many more. Let's take a look at each one individually. And we are counting down from 10 to 1. 10. Talent shortages endanger advancement. Influential people management has become a key differentiator for business IT firms, given how quickly the AI market is evolving. According to Kurtz of Capgemini Americas, this will need to consist of world-class recruiting and retention-related programs that encourage inclusion and a culture of lifelong learning. The demand for workers with AI skills has never been higher, and this trend is likely to last for years. Strategic alliances will therefore be necessary for enterprises and sectors as a whole. 9. AI makes efficient supply chains possible. Intelligent supply chain applications should be the norm rather than the exception. According to Kurtz of Capgemini Americas, supply chains in 2022 will need to be continuously transformed, AI-enabled, and most crucially, given all the recent upheaval, future-proofed. This applies to everything from supply and demand forecasting to digital manufacturing and shipping. 8. Robot access deployment and fully automated driving. The current fad and why it's essential. In 2020, autonomous driving technology advanced further, with the industry's main businesses testing driverless cars and launching public robotaxi services in several cities. Fully automated driving, which allows for riders without a human safety driver on board, will be required for autonomous driving scalability and commercialization. Even though we now have robots in our homes, factories, and highways, a fully robotic future will require real-world AI. Tesla is financing a robotic future in the real world. Elon Musk revealed his plans to purchase Twitter last week. Most publications, including those in tech and general media, likely used that headline. But in my opinion, Musk said something more revolutionary when he spoke with Chris Anderson, the conference's curator, during a TED Vancouver interview. Musk said that level 5 self-driving is not yet possible since the human brain functions differently from current neural computing systems when discussing Tesla's difficulties over the previous 10 years to enable fully autonomous driving. Even while autonomous cars have superior eyes than we have in the form of cameras, radar, lidar, and other sensors, the way the system interprets the world differs from that of a human driver. And that has to do with how highways are built, which considers human sensors in our minds. Musk claims that you must first solve self-driving to solve real-world AI, which is essentially a robot on 4 wheels. Once you do, you can also generalize that solution to a robot on the legs. Elon Musk thinks that until robots have enough intelligence to navigate the environment and accomplish valuable things without being specifically programmed to do something, they won't be helpful as actual human assistants. Elon Musk claims that the hardware is prepared for various robot types. But the way the data is calculated is still not ready for a fully robotic future. 7. NLG, natural language generation, comes mainstream. Recently, OpenAI released the API for their GPT-3 big language model, which is already utilized by hundreds of applications. The most well-known demonstration of NLG's potential, GPT-3, is capable of producing questions and answers and turning natural language into software code, both of which need a thorough comprehension of language. According to Butterfield of ISG, NLG, which formerly concentrated on converting numerical data into text-based insight, is now generating text from text-based data points and beginning to shift the game in creative writing. There are countless applications for GPT-3, including creating unique training datasets for NLP, real-time generation of individual responses in conversational AI platforms, and even the utilization of the capacity itself. 6. Natural language processing in practice. The current fad, and why it's crucial. Natural language systems advanced significantly in 2022 in terms of processing aspects of human language such as sentiment and intent, generating language that matches human speaking and composing patterns, and even visual understanding, which is the ability to express comprehension about an image through language. These natural language models enable more accurate search results and more complicated chatbots and virtual assistants, resulting in improved user experiences and commercial value. That concludes our video for the time being. Watch out for the other advancement in generative AI in our next video, where we would count down from 5 to 1. What are your thoughts on the subject? Please share your thoughts in the comments box below. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more like it. We'll see you in the next video.